Bob and Belinda are GPI power users, doing translation projects quickly and efficiently through the GPI Translation Services Connector. Bob handles multiple projects in a fast-paced environment. GPI Translation Services Connector's simple user interface shows all his quotes and projects in an instant. Because the connector's a NuGet package, it was easy to add to Belinda's Visual Studio solution, saving her lots of time in testing and deployment. Both Bob and Belinda can export translation content in one easy step. Pages, global blocks, page-level blocks, or catalogs can be translated into any number of languages, saving time compared with manual copying of content and handling files. Enable all the languages you want your website translated into using the Config tab of the Optimizely admin section. The connector then allows you to operate with all enabled languages. A single click in the connector imports translations for any content into each target language. So Bob and Belinda save time and money compared to manual translation entry in Optimizely. Define which properties from your pages allow localization in the Optimizely admin section by navigating each content type and checking the properties. The connector exports only properties that have localization enabled, compliant with Optimizely best practices. Access Tools language settings in the CMS section to set fallback languages for your website, pages, and blocks, so content is visible even when not in the target languages. You can also set replacement languages in this section, allowing you to force certain content to display only in a given language. Implement smart security measures by assigning which groups or users can use the connector. Access the GPI translation portal easily and directly. A single click shows information about files, quotes, and projects, including schedules, tasks list, status, and more. Finally, publish pages, blocks, and catalogs automatically after import by checking the desired options in the connector settings page. To learn more, contact your GPI Optimizely professionals.